Which browser gives you the best privacy? And more importantly, which one should you use daily? Let's break it down. So the LibreWolf. So this one is basically a Firefox after a privacy expect ripped up all the telemetry tracking experiments and unnecessary connections to Mozilla. So it's open source, heavily hardened and focused almost entirely on privacy and freedom. The good things with that is that there is no telemetry or data collection. It's a strong anti-tracking and fingerprinting protection. It's open source and community driven. It's excellent for privacy enthusiasts. And on the downside here, these some websites can break because protections are aggressive and it's slightly less convenient than mainstream browsers and might not be ideal for beginners. The Mullvad here. The Mullvad browser here was made by Mullvad VPN and for the Tor project. The goal is simple, make every user look identical online. Because if everyone looks the same, then tracking becomes much harder. So that's basically it is. So the good thing, the pros with this is that it has extremely strong privacy defaults and it's great when paired with a VPN and it's designed specifically to reduce online tracking. On the downside, some websites may behave weirdly when you use this and they are less convenient for everyday browsing and you can feel a bit restrictive compared to normal browsers. And the Brave here is the most mainstream browser among all in the list. Okay, it feels similar to Chrome, but it blocks ads, trackers, and fingerprinting by default. So good thing with this is it's fast and polished. It has excellent built-in ad blocker. It supports Chrome extensions as well. But on the downside, it has controversial crypto and Web3 integrations and is not as hard as Mullvad browser and it still requires some manual tweaking for maximum privacy. For normal users, you can simply use Brave. It's fast, easy, convenient. You'll be fine with that, similar to Chrome. But for privacy enthusiasts, I would say the LibreWolf will give you deep privacy protections without going full anatomy mode. And for maximum anonymity, you can use moved browser because if your goal is minimizing fingerprinting and blending into crowd, then this is the stronger option.